Today I'll talk about use of computers in nursing. Nursing informatics combine nursing, information, and computer science to manage and communicate information to support nurses and healthcare provider in decision making. My lecture is divided into following headings. I'll talk about information system in teaching and learning, information system in healthcare, information system in human resource management with respect to nursing, information system and material management, information system and facilities management, information system and nursing research, and issues related to computers in nursing. So first, information system in teaching and learning of nursing. With respect to teaching, there is computer assisted instructions, that is software programs for learning and to demonstrate learning. In testing or examination of students' answers can also be scored electronically. So it is easy to do markings on answers of students. Student and course record management. In this, student's name, address, courses taken, grade or attendance, all the records are stored. Digital library. There are many digital library and one include medical literature analysis and retrieval system or MEDLAS, and there are many online like PubMed of National Library of Medicine. Information system in healthcare. Information system is widely used in healthcare. It is used in admission, discharge, and transfer of patients, patient access record, financial parameters, that is billing, physician order entry, scheduling, pharmacy preparation, clinical decision support, communication, quality assurance, accreditation of hospital, patient education, medical records, for example, demographic data, hospital mortality and morbidity rate. These all can be calculated. Then information system is used at nursing station for test requisition, dietary requirements, drug administration, schedule. Information system and human resource management. You can keep record of performance, punctuality, leave, salary and other form of compensation, promotion and career development. Information system and material management. There is a module of inventory management usually in information system. Indent system is there and we can do vendor analysis easily using the information system. Information system and facilities management like air conditioning and control heating, ventilation system, alarm system, and certain readers are used, for example, reading ID cards or use of barcodes. Now, finally, information system and nursing research. Using information system, internet, and database, we can do literature search. We can make research design. We can calculate sample size. Information system help in data collection and analysis. It helps in thesis and report writing. It also helps in research dissemination, that is publications in peer-reviewed journals. Now, finally, what are the issues related to computers in nursing? There are issues related to privacy and confidentiality with respect to patient information. Informed consent may be required to store information related to patients. And there are issues related to access of data for research and other purposes. Thank you very much.